Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB and a tune-up report on the BearCat 980 SSB. This is for Wayne in Iowa. Okay, that's channel 20. Okay, I got 10 watts on the top scale. You see I'm coming in at about 2.5. That's what Wayne asked me to put it at, 2.5. This slug is 25 on the top scale up here. Okay, so 15 right there, 20 right there. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, check, check, check. Audio. Okay, and then I'm going to switch over to sideband. I'll show you that in a minute. Switch over to sideband real quick. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Audio. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna switch back to AM so you can see that down there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check, check. Audio. Alright. That's all we need from this one today. Let's see how we turn on. Breaker 19 for radio check, come on. How about 19? Can I get a radio check, please? Everybody around me, tell me if my radio's getting out. Come on. All right, thank you very much. Have a good one.